Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm unboxing more brochures. So this is from NCT Dreams Beyond the Dream Show, Beyond Life. I ordered 3 copies. These are all actually my own copies because my friends didn't want to order any dream ones with me. I purchased 3 to try to pull Haechan's photo card, but based off the things I've seen on Twitter so far, the variety for Dream and 127 hasn't been as good as Super M and Wavy, so I'm kind of nervous, but it should be okay. I should be able to trade, hopefully, if I don't pull him. But I'm just gonna go through the brochure first. Like I mentioned it in my Super M and Wavy unboxings, these brochures are really big. Like compared to this tiny photo card, you can just tell how big it is. But the photos are really pretty, so I'm excited to see. I don't think there's anything on the back, just this. So cute. Ooh. I wasn't a fan of the blonde hair with the really dark roots, but he looks really good in this photo shoot. Pretty. I really like the outfits that they were wearing for this photo shoot. So pretty. I can't believe Jisung's not going to be a maknae anymore. I'm so sad. I'm really excited to learn more and see more of the new members. It should be really exciting. I'm just super excited for 2020 in general. My friends and I already have pre-ordered some albums and we literally cannot wait. God, this is so cute. I'm just really hoping that they give OT7 Dream a track because obviously I really wanted a full album, but they're clearly working on this project, so I don't think we can expect a Dream full album soon. So I'm hoping that they at least get a track on 2020. Oh my god, these children pictures are all so cute. Wow. These shots are so nice. Oh, these outfits are really cute. They are so adorable. Oh, Chellum looks so good with his black hair. Oh, cute. I love these concert photos. They're so nice. Oh my gosh. These are like some of the cutest Chellum photos ever. Aww. So pretty. Oh. I loved the medley they did with 7 Days and I think Puzzle Piece. So cute. I actually really like these brochures. I definitely think I'll be looking back on them a lot. Oh my goodness. Call me by surprise. But yeah, the photos and all the brochures are so pretty. Wow. the scenes photos. Cute. Oh, Jenna with his glasses, so cute. And that's the end. I'm so nervous. The photo cards this time actually come in little plastic sleeves, which is really nice. The Super M and wavy ones, the photo card was just like put in with the brochure with no protection. And the first card is, oh, Jeno. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I actually don't pull Jeno a lot. I think I was actually thinking about this when I was looking at people's pulls. I'm thinking that I never pull Jeno for a lot of my things, and look, he came. He's so pretty. Like I mentioned though, I feel like the distribution wasn't very good for this batch, so I don't have hope that the other two won't be Jeno, so we'll see. Okay, second card. I really think it'll be Jeno again. Oh! Oh my gosh! Yay, I'm so happy. It's gonna look so pretty next to the AR one because they are taken on the same day. Well, I'm so happy that I don't have to trade. Yay, now I can open the last one with more excitement because I won't be too nervous. I kind of hope I pull Renjin's card because he looked really cute, I think. And Jamon's was really cute too. Honestly, all their selfie cards are always really cute. I'm honestly more nervous for the 1 to 7 brochure pulls because they have more members, obviously. Last card, let's see if it's a dupe. Oh my gosh! Wow. I feel so lucky right now. He's so cute. I feel like I have to keep this. I don't collect his cards, but I have a few of them. If I think they're really cute, I'll just keep them. Oh my gosh. So these were my final pulls. Missing Jamin to complete 2000 line, but oh my god, I'm so happy that I pulled the Hitan PC. Yay. That's it for this unboxing. I'll also be unboxing 1 to 7's Beyond Live brochure. I'll probably be filming that right after this. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that video as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.